Hello guys, we are just going to explain how to fix this low FPS detected if you're using AverMedia gaming capture. For example, I'm using AverMedia gaming capture GC573, and also I have a gaming monitor which supports up to 144 Hz. I'll be able to record PS5 gamings up to 120 FPS with 1080 pixel. Now I have connected PS5 console to live gaming capture of AverMedia. Just want to show the configurations. So already I have configured for 1080 pixel and 120 FPS. So here actually I'm going to edit. So here you can see this is the configurations. When you enable the resolutions for 1080 pixel, automatically you can see the FPS which is limited to your monitor. So my monitor supports up to 144, but I'm going to choose 120. I'm going to give OK. My suggestion is if you're recording your video on 1080 pixel and 120 FPS, and do not enable HDR here and enable HDR on Windows. So always enable HDR on Windows, automatically your configurations will be working perfectly. Even though if you're getting low FPS detected because you need to change the settings on your PS5. So what you need to do is go to PS5 settings. So here we need to come to screen and video, and automatically, right, when you change your configurations on the AverMedia in 1080 pixel, but the resolution is displaying it's a 2160 pixel. So we need to change that. So now see this error, automatically it will be disappearing. Now the FPS is showing 71. I'm going to change that to 120 FPS. So we need to click on this resolution and choose to 1080 pixel. If it is automatic and change it to 1080 pixel, super cool. So now you can see this 120 FPS is detected. See, and the low FPS detected is also gone. So now I'm going to enable this HDR. It's perfect now. Now you can see some extra clarity. Your 1080 pixel 120 FPS also will be working perfectly. And one more thing, also verify you have disabled HDCP. And going back here, we need to go to system, and here we need to come to HDMI, and this enable HDCP should be turned off, or even right in your AverMedia, go to settings. So here choose your capture card. So this is my live gamer 4K, and choose that HDCP is turned on. I'm going to turn it off. And if you're using Xbox Series, do the same. Xbox Series supports 2K also. If you want to change it to 2K resolution, that also you can change it. But in PS5, it supports only 720 or 1080 or 4K. So that's it, friends. Hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please put comments and feedbacks in video forms. Thank you. Bye and take care.